What up? Oh, so guys, we have got some exciting news today. It's a special day. Stay tuned. So we are about to travel to Chester now, and we'll see what the surprise is all about.
Bye.
We have finally arrived. There is a lot of cars, yeah. Lots of Mercedes. Gotta put the mask on, you know. Gotta be safe out here, you know. Exciting. Gotta put the mask on. Safety first, all the time, ladies and gents. We are in Mercedes-Benz in Cheshire Oaks. So just out here waiting for Grant, who's been looking after us this whole process. As you probably guessed it by now, we are here to pick up my new car. I'm not going to tell you what it is, but yeah, we're here to pick up the new car. It's so exciting, it's been so long, we've been working hard to get this, and finally here, finally here. So we have just done all the paperwork pretty much, and the Grant's got the key out for us, and he's going to take us around any minute now to see the actual car. Oh my god, I am so excited to see the car in real life. And there's not a lot of these cars actually in the UK at the moment. I've only seen about two online, yeah, two online for sale, and I'm not one of those two that I've seen. I'm getting that one, so shit. Let's go. So I've got a Grant here with me. He's gonna take us to show the car.
Come on.
I can't even speak properly.
I'm so excited.
Yeah. So Grant's gonna take us to the reveal room now. Got the key. Oh, let's go, baby. Oh.
Okay, come and have a seat just
Thank
here.
you.
The remote control is on the back wall there, so if you take hold of this remote, this one is here.
Oh my god, the remote.
And when you're ready, it requires a good solid push on that grey button, and then it will reveal through the
Remote through the glass. Okay, look. Alright, okay, so that's recording.
Alright, so have a seat, and it's a good solid push of that grey button.
Oh,
And then you can see the A35 Premium Plus in white with night pack.
This big button here.
That's it, just give it a really good solid push.
Oh my god. Oh.
Come on through.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh. I'm shaking right now. Oh my gosh.
But how nice is that with night pack and the black around the window? Removed all the chrome section, so it's black. Roof in black glass. This is contrasting in black. These are in black. The wheels are in black. The front skirt's in black. The lower spoiler lips in black. Even the detail across the back here is also in piano black, and all the lower skirts are in piano black.
It's even got the fuse at the back.
Everything, yeah. And then if you look from this angle as well, this is one of my favourites.
Listen to it. Listen to it. Got the interior, got the ambient lighting, got the automatic seat change. Finally got the car, driven it a few miles. All I can say, it is fast. I'm gonna come out and show you from the outside what it looks like. Here. Got both of our cars there. Jeez! Baby, what are you saying? What do you think, Mom? What do you think?
I like it. Hindi na umupo.
Come on in. Daddy.
Happy for you, my love.
Akala ko napusoy. Nice, actually.